Brown dwarfs, often referred to as failed stars, are objects that are too massive to be planets, but not massive enough to sustain nuclear fusion in their cores. The idea of planets orbiting these enigmatic objects, particularly polar planets, sparks immense curiosity. Polar planets, as the name suggests, would orbit their brown dwarf hosts in a manner that their poles are perpetually facing the dwarf, a scenario that challenges our conventional understanding of planetary formation and dynamics. This intriguing possibility is what drives our exploration into the existence of such systems within our galaxy. Detecting planets around brown dwarfs is no easy feat. The primary challenge lies in the faintness of these objects. Brown dwarfs emit very little light, making it difficult to observe the slight dimming that occurs when a planet passes in front of its host. Moreover, the contrast between the brightness of a brown dwarf and that of an orbiting planet is immense, often making the planet invisible with current technology. Astronomers have to rely on indirect methods, such as studying the wobble of the brown dwarf caused by the gravitational pull of an orbiting planet. This method, while effective for larger planets, falls short when it comes to smaller Earth-like worlds. The distance also poses a significant challenge. Many brown dwarfs are located far away, making detailed study a complex task. The field of exoplanetary science has made tremendous strides in recent years, thanks to advancements in telescope technology and observational techniques. Yet, the study of planets around brown dwarfs remains a niche area, primarily due to the inherent difficulties mentioned. Scientists have to be creative with their approaches, often combining data from multiple sources to piece together a coherent picture of these distant systems. Despite these hurdles, the potential reward, understanding how planetary systems form around such unique objects, drives researchers forward. One of the fascinating aspects of brown dwarfs is their diversity. They come in various temperatures and sizes, which significantly influences the possibility of hosting planets. Cooler brown dwarfs, for instance, might offer more hospitable environments for planets to exist, as their lower temperatures could allow for the presence of liquid water, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. This diversity extends to the potential planetary systems themselves, with some theories suggesting that the conditions around brown dwarfs could be just right for the formation of polar planets. The differences between brown dwarfs and stars are crucial in understanding their potential planetary systems. While stars like our Sun are sustained by nuclear fusion, brown dwarfs lack this defining characteristic. This fundamental difference impacts the radiation and heat that planets receive, potentially allowing for a wider range of planetary types. Unlike planets orbiting stars, those around brown dwarfs would experience a much weaker solar wind and possibly different magnetic field interactions, which could lead to unique atmospheric and surface conditions on these planets. The existence of polar planets around brown dwarfs would not only expand our understanding of planetary formation, but also challenge existing models. Simulations and theoretical studies suggest that such planets could indeed exist, particularly in the habitable zones of their brown dwarf hosts, where conditions are suitable for life. These simulations are critical in guiding observational efforts, helping astronomers target the most promising systems for further study. Recent studies have provided some insight into the feasibility of polar planets orbiting brown dwarfs. For instance, observations using advanced telescopes have identified several brown dwarfs with possible planetary companions. While these findings are preliminary and require further confirmation, they represent a significant step forward in the field. The exploration of these systems using next-generation telescopes promises to yield even more definitive answers. The study of polar planets orbiting brown dwarfs offers a glimpse into the diversity of planetary systems beyond our own. It challenges our assumptions and broadens our perspective on what might be possible in the universe. As we continue to explore these enigmatic systems, we are reminded of the vast mysteries still waiting to be uncovered in our galaxy. The concept of polar planets orbiting brown dwarfs presents a captivating area of research, with significant implications for our understanding of planetary formation and the potential for life beyond Earth. The exploration of these systems, though fraught with challenges, continues to advance, driven by the promise of new discoveries. So, what do you think? Share your thoughts on the possibility of polar planets around brown dwarfs in the comments below. If you're as fascinated by exoplanet discoveries as I am, Be sure to check out my other video on rogue planets that wander the galaxy without a star.